Alright guys, so today's gonna be like a shorter vlog. Going to Orlando, Percaso, Elijah. I'm ready to see Elijah drop Perk. She's gonna be crazy. And yeah, I'll see y'all there. Alright guys, so we made it to the venue. Scoped it out and shit. It's small as fuck, but it's hard as fuck in that bitch. We're not gonna get one yet. Look at this dude, hold on.
They need to clear out that bitch, because ain't no one in hell that many people backstage. What the fuck going on? What? You crazy? What? She ain't getting deja vu. First Perk show with her. Run that bitch back. I ain't gonna lie. Don't tighten that bitch. Tighter than my pants. On that way.
Are those leather pants? What do they feel like? Are they comfortable? I like touch them, no diddy.
It's a good.
Okay, they leather.
It's comfortable, but when you like squatting and sitting down, that shit get the like.
Yeah, like
it's tight. I ain't gonna lie.
How you feel, Blue? Yeah, boss man. So that's how I look right now. Look at this shit.
you about to wait off?
You waiting?
I got the Balenci's on though, I ain't gonna lie.
Hold on. See that shit? You can't get him stepped on.
Oh no, I'm gonna have to hit a nigga.
Slide up in that bitch.
They gonna take one shot.
I want to take a shot in that bitch. I don't give a fuck.
Hey, Tell say we're good to the vlog, man.
So let's get to the vlog, man. Yeah.
What's going on, man? Shout out to Tell. We got Pink in this bitch. Yeah. You know what's going down. What's your name, bro?
Jake, fam.
Jake. Nice to meet you, fam.
Nice to meet you too.
Hey, you trying to drink, bro? What's up?
Hell yeah, let me take a shot right quick. Oh, hell no. Oh, I know that shit, Sean. I got so we better down this bitch right now. See how we go.
Oh! Ooh! What we doing, 407? Man? What's going on, bro? My dog. I'll see you in a minute, bro. How you doing? I got these tight-ass leather pants on.
What they sipping on this shit. Whoa. I ain't said this shit in a minute, dog. That shit strong as hell. God damn.
Shout to the head, make them sit.
Ooh.
Yeah, I'm the shit. All of my songs is a hit, I don't miss.
No chaser, by the way.
No chaser.
Heard you
Let me know.
That was appreciate you.
For sure. I'm
Gonna be out there. All right, bro. Hey, shout out that boy Tell, man. Shout out Tell. Go fuck with him. Go fuck with him on the IG. Took a shot up in that bitch. Yeah. Bro, he gonna be gone as hell by the end of the night, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
At 18.
Screen going, man. Plug on that once in that man. Shout out Cal, man. My shit pop, boy.
We recorded you last time at the last show.
They did hard.
XIB. What's up, my boy? What's going on? What the fuck, man? What, man?
What the fuck? Y'all see it, bro. Security tripping and shit, bro. It's all good, but we're gonna chill out and shit, bro. Get some shit. Chris. Shit. Chilling. I don't know, this lighting got you looking kind of. Hey.
I've been making the boots and shit.
Oh shit.
I
Got your own shit.
I'm a designer too.
What y'all do?
We make music.
We have a studio in Fort Pierce.
Oh, tight shit. What y'all, you produce?
I'm an
engineer type shit.
I got artists with me. What's the brand called? Or
It's Travolsky.
Alright.
hard, man.
Thank you, bro.
I guys really going to fucking venue. We're gonna see if we can get any, because some shit been going down. I don't know if it's been bothering us all day, but hey, we'll see what the fuck happens. Because I don't know.
I'm not too much. Jack, it's gonna be so hot in there.
They gonna be hot as fuck up in that bitch, bro. It's gonna step into a fucking sauna.
People coming in, keep it moving.
How you good for me?
I gotta keep it moving.
I don't know what I'm saying.
I might just stay. It's cool.
Hey, boss man, slide.
They might not let us back in.
Yo, come back with a shot. I'm not being like that.
Yo, why are we all in the fucking back, bro?
Yo,
Get out, bro, get out.
bro, y'all have to go back. Yo,
We're with them.
Bro, y'all cannot be coming in this way, bro. What the fuck going on?
what is going on?
That boy Taco again, bro. What the fuck? Let's go, man. You was at the other show. Fucking Dior. That boy's going crazy. Yo, fuck with you, dog.
John, y'all broke the toilet. Go, what the fuck? Y'all not paying for that shit? Oh, y'all gonna pay for that shit? Y'all paying for that shit? Oh, y'all gonna pay for that shit? Oh, y'all coming out of pocket for that shit? Everybody say bounce! 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 Listen, y'all. Somebody fucked in the toilet. Somebody took a big ass shit, called that bitch up. Now it's flooded. The building is flooded, so we need y'all out. Everybody out. Watch out!
Yeah. What the fuck was going on? No, because they said, bro, he's actually going to turn up.
Bro, he's with the floor.
Yeah, they kept on performing. It's like a man.
That was flooding.
I know, I seen the fucking water.
Yo. Over there.
I don't know what the fuck going on, bro.
What's going on?
This shit is.
We in a fever dream right now.
No, dead ass, bro. I don't know what the fuck's going on. Everything's going crazy.
We got this guy right here.
Yeah. Shit, what the fuck? Somebody shit in the fucking toilet. I ain't gonna lie to y'all.
Somebody came and broke the toilet because a nigga stepped on his shoe and we gonna get mad and break that bitch and flood the whole shit. Like,
That shit is crazy, bro. I got that whole fucking
this shit is bizarre. But we doing it outside.
We're gonna do this shit outside. Fuck it, they took it outside, so we're gonna go outside.
Police get called, people can get arrested. You have to do something public property. Yo, we gotta do something public property. We have to go. Racetrack. Hey, everyone, racetrack. Gas station right over.
We got the hood shit down there, baby. So I can't even feel it.
Y'all can see this shit crazy, bro. What's going on?
2,000 years later.
What I do?
Don't show my toe to green. Cause I'm in the spotlight. Now we don't wanna be seen. They won't follow the cab, baby. But we know how they see. This ain't no but a dream. But a dream.
I'm woke up. Sipping on Shawty so bad, so to take off her underwear. Nigga be bitching, I'm getting money. Nigga be snitching, why is he mad? I do not know him. I'm getting that bread, I'm getting that money. And nigga be talking, nigga be snitching. Look at his shoes, it's overly dumpy. Sipping that bread, I'm getting. Talking about me, why he tripping? Nigga bought the toilet, yeah, why he tripping? Yeah, I'm getting money, blues, I ain't talking about crippin'.
They get high, they go to teeth. Pour forward with head in my teeth. Nigga, so he can breathe. I got caught, what the fuck do you think? Nigga, take off, I'm moving the same. From the village, I've been had a shame. Nigga. I ain't New York, but I ain't trying to change. Say for trapping, I run up my bank. I saw me, let's see it advance. The one like I rock is a advance. Once I get out of bed, inside of my bitch. Okay, I'm a bitch, let me in from the back. Okay, on the side, and money keep stacking. And in the house, it's so packing. Yeah, okay, I'm your baby. I'm in the toe tag. I'm trying to be in the booth, look at your home. All niggas trying to be in the loop, they don't know that black. All of my group, you ain't know that. Niggas like the chicken, keep it creeping out that cut. Nigga play creepy, chicken sweet, he gon' get cut. Never trade a 5, promise he ain't gon' get bumped. I'm sorry, the 5 in my head, the woman bump. She ain't go, run out with my mind. NYC too cold, I'm in the studio right. My PG, I ain't gon' reply. My main beat, yeah, she like me bad. RG, nigga, on that other side. Mosh pit, rock out with the guy. Smoke good, no, every day. Rolling good, whoa, make a play. Southside, they don't spend my phone. Yeah, I press the line. I been getting dope, around with my 9. NYC too cold, I'm in the studio fried. I'm locked in G, I ain't gon' reply. My main beat, yeah, she like it back. Hey, what's the last play? Oh, Paul, Daddy. Yeah! Hey, Kurt, hey, slide. What away from name in the sun, this right on like my denim. Yeah, I get 2 keep round fast, you walk around pressure rhythm. Feeling 21 with goals in the bad hoes from my denim. Red, all black, KK feeling like the venom. KK been had chili, now you trying to strike some extra. I bought some cat and Jake behind, I had to start with the dog. I do access, I hang around with niggas. You smoking good, no damn rock, KK ass and hellies. I'm good, I rock denim. I rock 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 denim overseas, no these homies borrow. This whole game is you ain't here, and turn it slow. 6 mile hoes, I'm getting sure all these hoes are so hoes. Ready to knock the road, I think she like me the way she on. They say they jump, they say they jump. When they got some new jeans, nothing in the south side. I was on the south side, they really have a thing. I just had to go break down bows and break down bows again. Yo, stop that. Yeah, I got a show in Miami. We ain't seen it before. All of the hoes is family. Watch you give me your dress. Young nigga living the fat life, I just fucking slam too. Yeah, oh she love him too. Yeah, oh she love me too. Yeah, she a slut. Look at my chicks, like giving them back shots. Yeah, she a slut. Yeah, this is I'm living the right side. Yeah, she that shot. Go my eyes, go my eyes, go my eyes. Go my eyes, go my eyes, go my eyes, go my eyes, go my eyes. See demons in my body, Dog niggas soldier by the molly. When the squad break the bird down with the Zodi. Stay in my head, cause this bank home with somebody. This old hand on my phone by some old shit. You nigga getting erased, right? You nigga hopping stolen. Yeah, I'm about to catch right now, I ain't even talking about bowling. You better watch what guys keep rolling. I know I saw. Get your money up, Bill. Southside. What? Go to road. PNG, fuck school. Yeah, here it comes. Outside. Niggas getting slaughtered, niggas wanting suicide. Black 19, straight out of black box. Pushing for that headshot. Many sacrifices I fuck with me around that. I first finished with my nigga slime. Young nigga slime. It's a young nigga slime. What? Young nigga slime. It's a young nigga slime. In the booth I get paid for my time. I like that you when you slide. You grab the open. We're behind. We ain't had to make your mama cry. What? We ain't had to do it. Grab the watch, he's on the line. Mike.
Oh, your album name? Yeah. What it stand for? What the N and the R and the K? Enrique. Shout out NRK, man. Southside.
Treat me like what cheese. Don't get me dirty. Love on me.
So as y'all fucking saw, but they had to move that shit to the fucking racetrack. They moved it like 3 times, but put that shit on though, I'm gonna lie.
Shout out Yuri, my baby.
Who?
I could have been playing right here. I know. Yeah.
Watch out.